Hi, Stephen. Here's a little bit of help with some of those practice or questions from the practice test. I'm going to start with numbers 13, 14, and 15. So you can see we have this transversal here, and it's the same transversal from the questions previous. So if that's maybe what's confusing you, that's all right. So number 13 is asking you if angle 3 is 98 degrees. Then what is the measure of angle 6? So we're looking at these two angles here, and looking at the picture, I see that they form a Z. So that means these are those alternate interior angles. So what kind of relationship do alternate interior angles have? If you remember, alternate interior angles, the ones that form a Z, are congruent. So if you know that this one is 98 degrees, then you also know that this one has to be 98 degrees. So then for number 14, I'm going to use brown for this one. Hopefully it shows up okay. Number 14, it says now if angle 3 is 140. So if this one is 140 now, and we're looking for the measure of angle 5 now. So these two angles, angle 3 and angle 5, are on the same side of the transversal, and they're on the inside. So I know that these are same side interior. Same side interior angles on a transversal are supplementary, meaning they add up to 180. So in this case, you need to do angle 3. I'm going to write this down here. Angle 3 plus angle 5 has to equal 180. So if you know the measure of angle 3 is 140, and you're still trying to find that measure of angle 5, sorry, these are getting in the way here. In order to find angle 5, I need to subtract this. So in this case, angle 5 has to be 40 degrees. You can see they're in the picture. So for this one is 40. And then let me grab a different color here. Then I'll use blue here for number 15. So then let's look at number 15. Number 15 says if angle 4 is 75, so angle 4 here is 75 degrees, what is the measure? And angle 6 is 10x minus 15. We need to find the value of x. So looking at angles 4 and 6, they have the same relationship as angles 3 and 5. So I know that these are same side interior, so that means they need to add up to 180. So I need to set it up where angle 4 plus angle 6 equals 180. So I know the measure of angle 4 is 75. And then the measure of angle 6 is 10x minus, what was that? I can't even read my own writing. 15 equals 180. So now I can combine some like terms. I have a 75 here and I have a negative 15. So in order to combine them, I need to add them together, so because they're on the same side of the equation. So 75 plus a negative 15 gives me 60 plus 10x equals 180. And then in order to solve for x, let's get rid of this 60. 10x equals 120. Again, keep going here, so x equals 12. Let me know if you have any other questions on those.